Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today is a really quick look using 2 eyeshadows and a pigment. Yes, that is all. So if you would like to see how I did this, then please keep on watching. So I'm doing something a little different today. I'm going to do my brows with powder. I know. I'm scared too. I'm going to conceal my lid, but I'm going to do it in a different way than I normally do, which I will show you. So I'm still going to use the same Shape Tape and Lottie London. I'm going to use a Spectrum CO6 like fluffy domed brush, and I'm going to get the concealer and I'm going to take it all the way to my brow, and even if it goes in the brow it's alright, but I'm just going to pat it all on and just blend it up to my brow. So I'm not making the shape, and it doesn't matter if it goes over your brow hairs because we are going to comb them through anyway. I just want all the concealer up to the top. Let me zoom you in a little bit. This is Nabla Cosmetics New Heaven. I'm going to take this on a really fluffy brush. This is a 228 by Zoeva, and I'm going to get that on my brush, and then I'm going to just slowly start to pat it on my lid, and I'm going to slowly start to build it up so it goes above my crease, all the while doing rounded motions, because even though it's a bit of a messy look, I want it to still have a bit of shape. So when I get to like this corner here, I'm just going to do little circular motions and just keep dragging it up. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, Becca, you look crazy, you look like the 90s child, but this is a look that I did in my course and it looks really pretty. And then I've just wiped off the brush, so I just want to slowly start buffing out these edges. Then taking some of the Peaches and Cream glitter base, you could use the NYX glitter glue as well if you so wished. Just going to put some on the back of my hand, and then just taking any fluffy brush. This is just a Miss Q brush which is off eBay. I'm going to slowly get some of that glitter base, not too much, just a bit so it's on my brush, and then I'm going to have to keep my eyes closed for this so it doesn't smudge, but I'm going to pat it all over, like literally all over, and then I'm going to get some pigment, and this is the Blush Tribe pigment in Alice. And then I'm going to wipe off the brush of any excess glitter base, and then I'm going to dip it into this and spread it all over my eyes. So I'm going to do it really fast so I'll be able to talk, because I don't want to make the glitter base make my lids stick together. So hopefully you can follow what I'm going to be doing. And just slowly pat it on. The majority of the glue should be on your lid, but then you are going to slowly drag it up all the way to the top. Then piece of tissue, I'm wiping off my brush. It's not a tissue, it's a cotton round. Some pigment on my brush and slowly start patting it in. I'll zoom you in. You see how pretty that is? So it just adds a little something to the eye look, I think. And then I'm going to go in with this dark teal shade. This is called Wish and it's by Melkior. Use a little smudge brush which is an M508 by Morphe. And on my lash line I'm just going to smudge this. And I'm not winging it out or anything, I'm literally just smudging it. And then just buffing it out with the brush that had the pigment on. Right, then I'm going to go in with the NYX pencil. This is the Slide On Glide On pencil in Azure. And I'm going to buff that in my waterline. And taking a Spectrum A12 pencil brush, I'm going to go in with that Nabla shade that's all over the lid. And I'm going to run that all along the bottom lash. Taking that dark teal shade from Melkior called Wish on the same flat brush, I'm just going to put it right at the root of my bottom lash. So that is how we are looking now. I'm going to go in and do my brows. I'm so nervous about this. I am going to use Chocolate by Coloured Rain. Because I realised I don't have a brow powder, so this might even be the wrong shade, but I don't know. Anyway, this is a Melkior Wish one brush. And I'm just slowly going to flick little hair strokes. So I'm just going to go in with some NYX brow gel. And then before I do mascara, I'm going to take the Alice pigment again and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. So guys, that's the finished look. What do you think? I had to nip away before I filmed this, so if you see glasses marks there, that's because I had to put my glasses on because I was driving. But I really like how this came out. It's up to you if you want to add lashes. I just felt like lashes added something to it. Yeah, and I just used these little ones. These are blush Tribe Clio. And I think it's just, I just like it. I think it's a really lovely look, and like I say, it is basically one eyeshadow. It's a little bit of smudging with that darker one, but you don't even have to do that. But I just thought it was really really cute. So if you have enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below what you think, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!